In geometry, a pencil is a group of geometric figures that share a common property. For example, a set of lines passing through a common point is a pencil of lines. A set of circles with a common center is a pencil of circles. And a set of conic sections with a common focus is a pencil of conic sections. In this diagram, there are 4 conic sections: a circle, an ellipse, a parabola, and a hyperbola, all sharing a common focus. The foci of an ellipse are 2 fixed points in a plane around which the ellipse is constructed. They are usually denoted by F1 and F2 and lie on the major axis of the ellipse, symmetrically on either side of the center. For any point P on the ellipse, the sum of the distances from P to each of the 2 foci is always equal to 2a, which is the length of the major axis. If the ellipse stretches vertically, as is the case in this diagram, the coordinates of the 2 foci are 0, -c, and 0, c, respectively, where c is the focal distance. A circle is a special case of an ellipse. When the focal distance is 0, the 2 foci coincide at the center. The major and minor axes are equal in length. All points on the ellipse are equidistant from the center, and the ellipse loses its typical oval shape and becomes completely circular. The focus of a parabola is a fixed point in the plane around which the parabola is constructed. It helps determine the shape of a parabola. Specifically, the closer the focus is to the vertex, the narrower the opening of the parabola. Conversely, the farther the focus is from the vertex, the wider the opening of the parabola. Lastly, the foci of a hyperbola are 2 fixed points in the plane around which the hyperbola is constructed. They help determine the shape of a hyperbola. Specifically, the closer the foci are to the vertices, the narrower the opening of the 2 branches of the hyperbola. Conversely, the farther the foci are from the vertices, the wider the opening of the 2 branches of the hyperbola, and the straighter the 2 branches. Like, share, and leave a comment. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.